Alright, what you're looking at here, once again, is my 52-inch Hunter Summer Breeze in white finish. And yes, I added my Hunter Spectrum blades on it. And to be quite honest, I actually think it really looks really nice on it for Summer Breeze. And the blades are gloss. Just white on both sides. And same with the pointed tip blades, which I will show you. It's right there. And also to correct myself, they're not fiberglass. They're also gloss from my last video. May need to redo that other video, but yeah. And as for the lighting, I have this light fixture, the Lasco, and the light fixture over there, and these two big doors to make enough lighting. Same with the other door. So yeah, and just in case you want to say I need more lighting, I actually got enough lighting as it is in this garage. But except for nighttime, I only got these three on the lights. But anyway, we'll go ahead and see what it does, starting with low. It's got a nice slow low speed on it. I mean, it's really nothing too interesting about these fans, just your normal Summer Breeze, but I still like the blades on it. Okay. And here's medium. There's a nice little breeze on medium. But I can mostly feel the air from the Lasco. That's still up. Okay. And here's high. And it sure picks up a nice breeze too. It does shake, but it's all tightened up with the screws on the mounting bracket, and it is flush mounted. Never came with a down rod. But I'll show you the air movement. And actually, it is very silent too. I mean, I can hear a little noise, but I think it's coming up from the top of the fan from the mounting bracket. I mean, I had it tightened up, but it's alright. It's not going to go anywhere. Alright. Power down. Watch it spin down. And there you have it. Here's your 52-inch Hunter Summer Breeze. And hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.